The word harbinger translates to the Hindi word अग्रदूत। पुराने जमाने में जब राजा महाराजा या फिर उनकी सेना कहीं पर जाती थी तो राजा के जाने से पहले एक अग्रदूत भेज दिया जाता था जो जाकर अनाउंस करता था कि राजा आ रहा है। He would also prepare for the arrival of the king or the army. Maybe he would make accommodations or check the security arrangement for the king. So जिसको हम हिंदी में अग्रदूत कहते हैं, that person in English is called harbinger. A harbinger is a thing or a person that announces or signals that another person is coming or something is going to happen. A harbinger is a forerunner. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Let's watch a clipping now.
So the idea developed that the comet had to be there for a reason. And the reason was that comets were kind of predictions of disaster, that they foretold the deaths of princes and the fall of kingdoms. In 1066, for example, the Normans witnessed an apparition or appearance of Halley's comet. Since a comet must, they thought, predict the fall of some kingdom, they promptly went ahead and invaded England. Here's King Harold of England looking a little glum. The events were noted in the Bayeux Tapestry, a kind of newspaper of the day. Or in the early 13th century, Giotto, one of the founders of modern realistic painting, witnessed another apparition of Comet Halley and inserted it into a nativity he was painting, a harbinger of a different sort of change of kingdoms.
The clipping is taken from the 1980 documentary series Cosmos. Here, Carl Sagan has used the word apparition and harbinger. Let me paraphrase the usage here. Let me put down this sentence in simpler terms. Apparition of comet was widely believed to be a harbinger of bad news. Apparition simply means किसी चीज का नजर आना. Now there are other meanings of the word apparition as well, but in this particular context, apparition means appearance of something. So apparition of comet का नजर आना was seen as a harbinger of bad news. Harbinger, forerunner, something that announces that something is about to happen. Another usage, economic depression is the harbinger of political change. The history of the world tells us कि जब भी किसी जगह पर इकोनॉमिक रिसेशन आती है तो वहां पर रेवोल्यूशन या लार्ज स्केल पॉलिटिकल चेंज भी होती है. So when things go wrong, people just don't blame the people running banks and the financial system, people also blame the ruling regime. So economic depression is the harbinger of political change. Harbinger is a person or a thing that shows that something is going to happen or something is going to happen soon, especially something bad. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning of the word harbinger.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.